Hi, this is Sherry Veronica. I do not know what part of St. Philip this is, but when I do find out, I'll update it. I'll update the address so people would know. But the water department should know about this. They say it has been running non-stop for 3 days. I don't know where it is flooding, where it is running off to, but just contact your water department. And if you live in St. Philip, and if you have grounds, because it doesn't look as though it's near a home. Maybe it is, I don't know. But just do your due diligence and make sure that your water is not running constantly. Okay? It's Sherry Veronica.